Alright guys, today I made a punch. Didn't feel like cooking, but it was when I finished making the punch that I realized that I didn't video the punch. So what I put in this punch was I put some peanut, I put some pumpkin seed, oats, a Grace food drink smoothie flavor, vanilla flavor, some nutmeg, some cinnamon, and some vanilla flavor, and some crushed ice. And I blend my smoothie and some banana that I had frozen. So some frozen banana that I had already had in the freezer, my vanilla, my cinnamon, and some crushed ice, and I blend all of those together, and that's my smoothie drink to replace a meal for today. Also add some almond milk. Here I have some in the blender that I am still blending out. So guys, here I have some that I'm blending now. So in here is the peanut, the oats, the cinnamon, the vanilla flavor, some Grace food drink smoothie, and the frozen banana, and a few ice cubes. So here guys, here's my finished smoothie. As you can see, you have some peanut in here, you have the oats, you still have some sunflower seed or some pumpkin seed that you can still chew on, so it's like a meal. Alright, if you don't feel like cooking, you can add whatever you like to your smoothie. It's just what I had today, so that is what I use. So whatever you have, you can put in your smoothie. Sometimes I'll put sunflower, I'll also add some chia seed or some flax seed. Whatever I have, I put in my smoothie. Sometimes if I don't have banana, I use ripe plantain. So it's just for your liking. And that's the finished product of the smoothie. So now guys, here's my finished smoothie. I'm going to enjoy it now, so hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.